Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel today. So today we're going to speak about the UK government being in financial surplus, but are they heading for a financial crisis? So they're in surplus, but why could they be heading for a financial crisis? Is the question everybody's going to be asking. Well, the simple answer is, back last year, our good old lovely Chancellor of the Exchequer, Rachel Reeves, decided to set a rule where basically day-to-day expenditure for the government, as in things like buses, NHS, has to come out of tax receipts and can't come out of, borrowing or anything like that, because obviously they want to get the deficit down. Okay, so the problem is, they were expecting to have financial receipts, as in tax receipts, of over 20 billion, but they're only at 15 billion. So you're talking about £5 billion difference. So with everything that they want to do over the coming year, there is the potential problem. But why? The question is, why could it have happened? Well, it's a fundamental, simple reason that this Labour government, primarily because of Rachel Reeves and Keir Starmer, scared the hell out of business. That's what it boils down to. They scared the hell out of business. They decided, Michael O'Leary spoke about this. The boss of Ryanair, when he said Rachel Reeves does not have a clue when it comes to business. When you look at the front benches of the Labour Party, there's nobody there that's worked in business, so they don't know how to generate business. And whether people like it or not, the majority of the tax receipts for the UK, for the government to be able to do things, relies on business. So when you talk about increasing national insurance, which is due to start in the next few months, and things like that, and the things that have been done to the aviation industry, the hikes on that as well, you are going to fundamentally affect, whether you like this or not, tax receipts. People aren't going to do things. Business is going to make less money. If you cost businesses more money, you end up getting a return of less money. You get more people ending up going on to unemployment eventually at the end of the day. Less people, as things stand, the stats back it up, less people are looking at starting up businesses. More people are closing down businesses. And the unfortunate thing of this is it's going to affect tax receipts at the end of the day. So there's less money to give the public sector big pay rises. Where I live, there's been a fundamental problem with the buses, with fast buses. So for about the last month, the bus company, bus drivers have been on strike, because there's been a dispute over a pay rise. Even though it's been alleged that bus drivers have agreed to a 4% pay increase, for another month, the union are going to still make them go on strike. So the thing is, this is something which Rachel Reeves needs to sort out pretty damn quickly and get growth. Whether that means her having to go back on some of the things that she had already decided in the budget back in, November, or she needs to come up with something and get that brain kicking into gear before it affects the country badly and it starts looking really bad for her. Because it ain't looking good at the moment. You know, if you look at the amount of growth, there hasn't really been any growth. There was growth under the Conservative Party up towards the end, but as soon as Labour have taken over, it's pretty much been no growth. So, I'm not going to go on a tangent today. Okay, so could there be a financial crisis? I doubt it. It's possible. You know, time is on her side to resolve this issue, but if she doesn't do something pretty, well, it doesn't need to be drastically, but pretty quickly, it could get out of hand. So, you know, time will tell. We will see what will happen. You know, let us know in the comments down below what you think she could do or what she should do. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you again a bit later.